Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to HCLTech mass hiring next update. HCL team is sending the graduate engineer trainee next process mail, that is for GET salary is 3.25 LPA. Like and share the video. Let's start the video. Before starting, I already shared the HCL opportunity 23 hours ago and I already shared the 24 batch opportunity, that is for BE BTech role and graduate engineer trainee. So finally officially HCL announced the opportunity for the freshers batch. Now one of the most important point that I have to clear. Okay, so you received this type of mail, okay, like you already completed your application on HCL Tech portal, okay, you already applied for opportunity previously, okay, so no need to do anything, just wait, okay, they will consider your profile and they will send the update, okay. And one most important point that I have to mention, they are sending this type of message: HCL Tech is hiring for GET role. Please share your formal acceptance acknowledgement on the below point if you are interested by filling out the below shared form. Okay, you have to fill this form only when you received this form. Okay, आपको ये फॉर्म कब फिल करना है? जब आपको खुद मेल आए. ओके, दे सेंड द मेल. द थिंग इज बिकॉज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, okay, we are seeing that the deadline to register is 7 September. It is not a it is not a like a final phase, or we can say that final mail from the HCL Tech team. Okay, they are sending this type of mail continuously because the hiring process is active. CTC is 3.25 LP as per HCL salary grade basis 65%. UG passing year is batch 24. Willing to open service agreement is 50,000. But the thing is, I confirmed with candidate. Candidate mentioned, sir, I have applied on 27 August on HCL Tech portal, completed my application form, and today 6:30 I got email. So I suggest please wait for this HCL Tech mail, okay, because most probably if your profile is considered or if your profile is shortlisted, they are sending the mail. Okay, why I am saying this, just understand one most important point. They know for which candidate they shared the form, okay, because they are asking about HCL Tech number, HCL Tech application number, UG college name. I have read all the correct mention eligibility criteria and information. They are also sending the like PDF or job description that is related to networking. Okay, so understand that graduate engineer trainee pan India and BE BTech CCN or equivalent network certificate is a strong plus. Okay, so the job description is network related, so kindly please check the job description, that is job description JD, that is attached in the mail. Okay, and one most important point, you received this type of mail. Okay, so you can fill out this mail. Okay, you can fill out the form particularly and just wait for the next process that is related to examination or interview. But the thing is, you have to receive this type of mail, guys. One most important point, if your profile is shortlisted, definitely they will send the mail. You have to just complete the application form. You have to complete the application form on the HCL Tech portal. Okay, so it is shown that you completed the HCL Tech like application form and your profile is submitted. After that you will receive this type of mail and you have to share all of your details in the particular form. They will also know that like in how many candidates they shared the form, or like on which particular email ID they shared the form. That's why I am saying again and again, because this is the next step, this is the next process from the HCL. So just wait for that. The deadline will be different according to candidate application. Okay, and it is clearly mentioned that candidate applied on 27 August but we posted video on 4th September. Okay, so like in just a one day, how candidate will receive the update? Because the GET hiring is posted yesterday. That's why I am saying again and again, okay, don't do any mistake. Just wait for that. They will send the next mail as soon as possible. Just complete your application form on the HCL Tech next portal. Okay, HCL Tech portal. So they will consider your profile and they will send the next mail. Okay, that is related. After that there is a aptitude exam, coding exam. It will totally depends on them. We will discuss about, we will talk later regarding this, but this is the thing that is related to HCL Tech. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video.